A level of cinematic video quality previously requiring full production crews is now accessible to any single creator using Seedance 2.0 in 2026. Seedance 2.0 is an AI-powered video platform that transforms text prompts into cinematic footage, all with the power of one person.
Seedance 2.0 delivers a major leap in visual quality, with noticeably stronger cinematic results compared to earlier versions.
Seedance 2.0 delivers amazingly smooth motion and high scene consistency, bringing AI-powered video closer to professional quality. Seedance 2.0 handles human motion, cloth, and environmental effects with greater realism and physics than other video editing tools. Seedance 2.0 performs best when using detailed cues that include camera movement, lighting, and direction. Seedance 2.0 supports cinematic camera language like dolly, pan, tilt, orbit, and handheld motion, cracked, all controlled directly through text prompts. Seedance 2.0 allows you to animate images using subtle movements such as blinking, breathing, and environmental motion, making scenes appear naturally alive. The free tier is enough for testing, while the Pro plan unlocks higher quality, commercial use, and faster generation for professional creators.
Advanced artificial intelligence capabilities are expanding the possibilities for content creators. Most people have only seen a small part of its potential.
Seedance 2.0 delivers high visual consistency across multiple clips, making it much easier to create long stories and professional workflows. Seedance 2.0 creates high-quality cinematic styles: films, documentaries, commercials, music videos, architecture, nature, fashion, and sports. Compared to Runway Gen 3, Kling AI, and Google Veo, Seedance 2.0 stands out for its realistic movements and stability, remaining competitive across all platforms.
Seedance 2.0 supports 4K output in multiple formats, including 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, and cinematic widescreen.
30 days of real-world testing on YouTube, in commercials, and in social media revealed both the strengths and real-world limitations of Seedance 2.0. During the 30-day test, dozens of videos were created daily, replacing the traditional, much more expensive, video production workflow.
Seedance 2.0 still has limits: short clip durations, occasional subject inconsistency, unreliable text rendering, and no built-in audio generation.
Seedance 2.0 works best inside a full AI workflow, combined with 11 Labs, Suno, Claude, and Midjourney for complete content production. Seedance 2.0 supports videos and ads for YouTube, from documentaries to videos and educational content.
When cinematic video can be created from text in minutes, the entire film industry is forced to rethink the future role of traditional production.
Seedance 2.0 can automate complex visual production, but storytelling, emotion, meaning, and creative direction still depend entirely on human creators.
After 30 days of testing, Seedance 2.0 earned a strong overall score, standing out especially for motion realism and scene consistency.
4.5 out of 5. Seedance 2.0 excels in realistic animation, making it one of the best AI-powered video creation tools for content creators in 2026.
The link to Seedance 2.0 and a beginner's guide are below. Cinematic video creation, previously reserved for film crews, is now available to creators.
Seedance 2.0 gives individual creators access to filmmaking tools previously available only to entire production teams.